Today's cherry bomb is hot off the presses, and if the futures have anything to say about it, it looks like it might be a great trade. So if you're ready to get started, let's do just that. Hi everybody, it's Neil here with Option Theory again, and it's June 11th, 2020. And if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and giving this video a try. If you're not new here and you're one of my cherry bombers, thank you so much. It really means a lot that you're here and that you give me those likes and you've subbed so much. It's just great. Thank you. All right, now the diamonds has a 3-star liquidity out of 4 according to Tastyworks, and we're also going to be in the weeklies, the July 24th weeklies. So I'm a little concerned about how likely it is that we'll get filled on this, especially with the fact that if you know the diamonds is meant to track the Dow average, and the Dow Jones futures over here is YM down almost 2% already, 1.9%. So that means if this is going to go down roughly 2%, right, we're looking at a $5-6 drop. And, you know, at open, so we could be somewhere down here, right? So we might have to adjust these strikes, but let's build it out. Let's take a look at the probabilities. We're doing a long put vertical today here. So let's hit the Analyze tab. Let's go to Add Simulated Trade. Twirl open your 43 days to expiration, July 24th weeklies. We're going to look at the 272 and the 270. Now this sets up a little differently if you look at this on Tastyworks, but that's all right. This might have adjusted with the current pricing anyway. All right, see how it's at that 265 mark? Let's build it out as they have it in the cherry bomb email, of course, although it looks like more likely what I'd end up doing is a 266, 264. But that's good to see. All right, so 272. We're going to buy the 272 and sell the 270, right? So I'm going to right-click here at the 272, Analyze Buy Trade, go up to Vertical. And it's only a $1 wide here. We're going to set this long one, sorry, the short one to 270. Sometimes you get stuck in a mode where you're doing short premium, we're doing long premium. All right, so this would cost us 85 cents. Now, the fact that that is less than half of the width indicates to me that we're going, yes, you're going to have the ability to make more than you spend, but your probabilities are going to be off and not where we want them to be. So let's hit the risk profile and see what that looks like. I'm going to set this to July 24th as our expiration, set our price slices to break even, and we're looking at here a 61% probability that this is going to work out for us. Okay, is that really the case? I don't know. You know, with that drop that we're about to probably get, we could adjust this down to, what did we say here, 266 and 264, and see what our probabilities are on that one. 66, 4. And I don't think we're going to get the same kind of probabilities on this one. All right. So we're closer now down to a 53% probability of profit with this one. I think we really just have to see what happens in, like, what they, in air quotes here, you can't see me, when the dust settles after open, what we're likely to have happen here. But these percentages here are closer to what we see in the cherry bomb email blast. Once again, if you don't get those emails, that's okay. You can head on down to the description down below, click that link down there, and sign up for the Tasty Trade email blast, because these emails don't come from me, and you'll get these right when we get them, and you can read along with us, see the screenshots. So these are the probabilities that look more like what we see in the email. Right, but I'm going to set it back to what it was, 272, not 3, 270. All right, so with that, of course, it's going to cost us more because we're more in the money on this one. Although we typically like to buy in the money and sell the one that's out of the money. So, you know, we'll see, right? That's why we're doing this. We're playing. All right, everybody, let's right click this. Let's see what our max profit and our max loss is. Max profit of 115. and our max loss of 85, because that's what it's going to cost us. Remember, time tends to work against you in these long premium trades, although the email says it will generate 23 cents of positive daily theta. So you never know with this one, right? Okay, everybody, I'm going to hit send. That's going to go over to my working orders. We're going to let that one try to fill in the morning, and after that, we may pop in and make an adjustment if necessary. Thank you so much for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you in our final cherry bomb trade of the week tomorrow. Happy trading.